During uncertain times, our most valuable security does not come from money. It comes from an inner foundation of strength, peace, and the ability to find creative solutions when things are tough on the outside or in our personal lives. And that comes from creativity. But it's not creativity how we commonly understood it. We have assumed that creativity is a synonym to talent. Talent to be an artist, talent to be a writer, talent to be a musician. But that's not creativity. Those are expressions of creativity, but they're not creativity in itself. Creativity is a life force that we are born with. It's a life force that we are born with. So each single one of us has it, and you have it too. And as a life force, it cannot be extinguished. It can be dimmed, sure, and it can be stifled. And for a lot of us, that has happened, like in early childhood and continued through school, university, and then adulthood. But it cannot be destroyed. So history has actually shown us that when things are really tough, it's not the ones that are physically the strongest and the fittest. It's the ones who are the most creative. They are the ones who found another way. They are the ones that looked at what they can make basically from nothing. They are the ones who could sit They are the ones who could sit still in uncertainty and still have a spark of joy and a peace inside that cannot be disturbed. There are two Nobel Prize winning economists, Daniel Kahneman and Angus Deaton, and they studied nearly 500,000 of people and found that beyond a certain income level, and I think it was 75,000 at the time of the study, which equals about 108,000 now with the inflation adjusted, and they found that beyond that level, economic level, more money stopped making people feel better. And that's pretty amazing, isn't it? So what does make people feel better? That's an inner state. That's an inner joy, an inner satisfaction, an inner confidence that has nothing to do with outer circumstances. It's people who have meaning on the inside that goes beyond the material world. And it's their ability to find joy in ordinary moments. And there was another study that was done by researchers, and I forgot the names of them, but I can put them down in the comment section. And they said that the people who bounce back from a crisis, people who navigate adversity without falling apart, they have the same thing. They have joy on the inside and they have creativity. So after 9/11, after COVID, and after every storm that you can possibly imagine, the ones that make it through best were not the ones with more money. They were the ones who were connected to something inside of them. And here's what I really want you to hear. When money loses its value, which can happen really fast, what remains? It's our ability to think differently. It's our ability to stay calm in chaos. It's our ability to make something from nothing. It's our ability to find joy on the inside, even when everything on the outside is really dark. But we still have a spark of peace and joy on the inside that cannot be taken by those circumstances. And that's our creativity. That's our creative life force. That life force that no recession, no pandemic, no outer circumstances can destroy. And that's what I want for you with this channel. So in uncertain times, the most radical thing you can do is It's not hustle harder or save more money. It's to come home to yourself and to your creative life force, to your joy, to your creativity, to the creative place that's in there that wants to come out. And that's the foundation for everything else in our life, whether that's our art making, our decision making in our businesses, in our workspaces, with family, with friends. When we have that life force available to us and we are present with it, our life completely changes. What we make in our art completely changes. And with this channel, I am offering you radically simple ways to make art, to play, to have permission to play. And I dismantle all these false beliefs that have stood in the way of being able to express that creative life force in our daily life. So if this resonated with you, it would be totally awesome if you shared it and subscribe.